In today's video, we will guide you through a step-by-step guide on how to find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Snapchat app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, tap on the avatar icon available in the top left corner of your screen to go to your profile. Once you do so, simply scroll down till the bottom unless you see the Snap map and tap on it. Now zoom in on your area and you will see blue hotspots around your Bitmoji that indicates nearby users. Also make sure that your ghost mode is turned off. After you do so, again go back to your Snap map and there you can see a lot of story option available. Simply zoom in and tap on the any circle story option available. And once you tap on the recent stories, you can then tap the plus icon on their profile to add them as a friend. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.